Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Spring Ridge, local and long-distance movers near me. Even a 2-day trip takes you ages to pack. Imagine how frustrating it's going to be when you need to pack for a long-distance move. You really aren't looking forward to it, right? Luckily, 3 men and a truck is here to handle your big move. Our moving staff is experienced and has the knowledge, resources, and devotion to carry out your move. No matter if you are moving to another city, state, or country, our movers will pack your stuff, load up everything, and transport your belongings safe and secured to your new space. Even if your new home or office is going to be in Spring Ridge, your relocating is going to be as frantic and stressful as any long-distance move. You have work life and house chores on your daily agenda, and managing time to pack and move your belongings to your new space is a lot to handle on your own. Instead of wasting your time and efforts, let us streamline your move for you. In just a few hours, we'll pack, move, and unpack your stuff at your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Spring Ridge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.